in this video we are doing an unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, and we are going to give a thorough little test. I'm going to do a couple of different tests and I'll explain as we go along. So this has network protocols. It has 802.11, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connectivity. So I shouldn't have to change my Wi-Fi in my router. I shouldn't have to change any of the settings in there, which is really good, hopefully. So with that, let's see exactly what you get for your money, honey. It should just slide out. Oh, it does. There you go. So we have instructions. Put them to the side. I will have a good read of the instructions. We have, I'm guessing this is a it says there transmitter. So it's a TX transmitter, and yeah, it looks quite nice. It's only made of, feels like plastic, with air vents, which is pretty good, and a HDMI. Not sure what one that is, but I'm guessing it can do up to 4K because it actually says on the box 4K UHD. It's good for office, home theatre, no internet required, something to bear in mind, and multi-devices mirroring. Like I said, we are going to do some testing to see, what devices we can connect to this little thing. And if I can get it out, we have the receiver. So transmitter, receiver. Aerial connection now, and on-off button. Nice little click. Headphones, power, HDMI, VGA. I suppose people do use VGA, especially in offices, stuff like that. Little rubber pad so you can see it like that. See that? Which is very nice. Or, is that an air vent? Might be an air vent. Or I was going to say leave it like that, but there's an air vent there as well. So maybe like that. I think it'll look better like that, sir. We have USB to USB Type-C connection, which is there. So how long the lead is, I don't know, but I will have a quick measure up. Get that out of the way. Oh, it's quite a long one. Maybe a metre. Like I said, I will have a measure up and stick it up there so you can see it. And we have two. So they both need power, or maybe they might not both need power, but you might need power for this one, the transmitter. I'm not sure, but some devices, sometimes they need power and sometimes they don't, if that makes sense, and that should be about the same. So yeah, I'd say that's about the same. So two USB to USB Type-C connections, two aerials, which I'm going to stick on right now. It should be quite easy to put on. Last famous words. There you go. What else do we have in the box? Should be some HDMI leads. We have a European plug or a 2-pin plug. Won't be using that baby. What else? So it should be a multi-adapter for most regions, yeah. There's your adapter. What else do we have? This is UK one. And that should just go on and twist. I would have thought. Let's see if I can figure this out.
The next morning.
There you go, that's it. It's in. Yeah. And then if you want to unlock it or take it off, just press that button down, it should unlock. So yeah, that's it, sorted. That's another different type of connection, which we won't be using again. And HDMI connection. We will, or won't we? We'll try the HDMI connection, but we might not actually use that. So that is everything in the box. Just going to check underneath, nothing underneath. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, by the way, I will stick affiliated links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out, or in case you want to buy one. it does help the channel if you do use them, but it's up to you, not forcing you to use them. But if you like my content and you subscribe, you know, or even if you don't subscribe, but you are thinking about using or buying one of these, consider clicking on my links. I do get a little bit of a kickback, but it doesn't cost you any more money whatsoever. So that is everything you get in the box. So with that, I am going to have a quick read of the instructions, make sure I haven't missed out on nothing, and plug it all in and see how easy it is to set up. Well, it actually works. I've actually got it plugged into my camcorder, that baby there, that one, yeah. And I've got it plugged into my main TV, which is in another room, it's in my living room. So it's going through a wall and, you know, into my TV. Now I put the device in front of the TV. I need to see a camera then. Put it in front purely for the fact that you can see it actually is plugged in. But it definitely works. Also, the instructions. There's only 4 pages. There's not a lot to read. One page is actually just questions and answers, and the other one is, or another page is, should the pairing fail for whatever reason, how to pair it. So very easy to read. Not a lot to read on the instructions, which is really good. It is basically plug and play. Yeah, plug and play, and works extremely well. Yeah, it's probably about 20 foot away, something like that, plus it's going through a wall as well. So yeah, quite a good distance. I did have to give the transmitter power, and I think that's purely for the fact it's not getting enough power from the HDMI lead. And I did say earlier that you might need power, you might not, and it does say in there sometimes you don't need power and sometimes you do. Well, it depends on the device you're connecting the transmitter to, whether it needs power or not. And like I say, I've got it plugged into my camcorder, so it needs power from the HDMI plus some sort of power source. And I plugged it in to one of my power banks. I've got a little power bank. So I've got that sitting behind the camera and I've got it plugged into that. Yeah, it works really well. I'm going to have a look in a minute, but I'm going to see what other devices I can plug it into as well. But so far, so good. Hopefully there's no lag. I'm not sure if it's got lag or not because I haven't checked the other one. I know it's plugged in because I went running in there and had a quick look. So what else can I plug it in? Give me a second, I'll have a look. Right, I'm going to try and see if it'll actually do my phone. So here goes. Hopefully it does. Oh, actually, need to take the USB little protector off first. That would help, wouldn't it? Now, I'm not saying it's going to work, but it should do. In theory, it should just work. Plug that in. And let me just check. Nothing at the moment. Power's on. Oh, hang on. Something's happening. Oh, we're up and running. So, my TV is behind me, this TV. I've done TV in the living room, and now I'm doing TV behind me. What's the lag like? That's pretty good. Yeah, works really well. Right, I know what you're thinking. Well, I don't really know what you're thinking, but what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go down to the end of my garden and see if she still works. So I've only got it just laying on my Virgin TV box, just got it laying on it just to see if it'll work, and plugged into a power source. I've also got this plugged into a power source, just in case it needs more power. Because one of the things it does say, like I said earlier, sometimes you need power, sometimes you don't. Now I wouldn't have thought this would give it enough power to power this up. So with that, I'm going to get my shoes on and I'm going to go down to the garden and see if she still works down in the garden. Now there, I might lose audio because I don't think my wireless receiver will reach that far, but it might do. We will see. So I need to keep playing with it just so you can see it working. Hopefully she's still working. Quite impressed with it actually. So if audio's working, we're probably about 80 feet away, 75 feet, something like that. See me? Yeah, still using it. Coming back now. I actually have it running right now, just in case you need to see it actually running. And yeah, it's running on my TV, and I'm doing full screen on my phone. And yes, I did try it without the power bank, and yeah, it didn't work. And that is purely for the fact it's not giving you enough power from my phone to keep that thing powered up. But saying that, if you plug it into, say, a laptop, plug that into a laptop and you want to display the image onto a TV or monitor that doesn't have Wi-Fi, then you might get enough power and you might not need this little power bank. I'm using a power bank, but you can use a plug, a USB plug, yeah? You can use that, it doesn't matter, it should just work. So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up for the amount it costs. Yes, it's not cheap, it's about £130 at the moment. It may go up, may go down, I don't know. But when I looked earlier, it's about £130. Yeah, well worth the money if you're looking for something like this where you know, maybe you want to display your laptop or computer in one room and put it onto a TV in another room. It could be perfect. Or like I've got it at the moment, plugged into that one over there. Yeah. And yeah, we're displaying it straight from my phone. It could be a phone, it could be a tablet, it could be a PC, it could be a laptop, it could be loads of different things that you want to display somewhere else. Yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. It works. Let me know in the comments whether you think it's a good idea or whether you've got one of these. It'd be interesting to find out if one of you have actually bought one of these, or if you are going to buy one of these, check out my links in the video description. They are affiliated links, so do give me a little kickback if you do decide you want to buy one and click on my links. It does help the channel to keep on growing, and it allows me to carry on making videos like this. So yeah, it gets my thumbs up, and hopefully it get your thumbs up. So with that, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.